The U.S. says Iran was behind today's attack on an oil tanker in the Gulf of Oman. That was a fast conclusion. The U.S. says, Given the track record the U.S. government has for telling lies in order to create pretext for war, there's no reason to accept U.S. claims as fact. They can't even wait for an investigation or even pretend to have an investigation. Let's keep in mind that Bolton isn't the kind of person who would be above using an underhanded tactic, such as manufacturing a Gulf of Tonkin incident. Look at his lack of character. There's a 20-minute video coming soon. Let's think logically. If this was not an accident, then what would be the motive? Are we to believe that a state actor would put a sign on their door that says, "Please attack us"? That's what the U.S. claim basically is, that Iran did this, and then what? The next step is, we gotta attack them. That's what we're being expected to believe. And without an investigation, how could there be an investigation? It just happened.
No war with Iran. This would be an unmitigated disaster. We must stop Trump and his national security advisor, John Bolton, someone who likes endless wars.
This is the way my new video, the 20-minute video, is going to start. So look for it on this channel coming very soon.
So now we're being lied to again, as Bolton and Trump push us closer and closer to a war with Iran. Join me in sending a strong message to Donald Trump. The U.S. must not go to war with Iran.
Is there some sort of intervention in Iran on the horizon?